Understanding, take a toll, an English phrase explained. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a phrase you might have heard quite often, take a toll. We will dive into what it means, how to use it, and we'll look at some examples to clear up any confusion. So, let's get started and unpack the mysteries of this common English expression. The phrase, take a toll, refers to the adverse impact or negative effect that something has on a person, object, or situation. It's often used to describe the consequences of a serious, sometimes prolonged, problem or activity. The toll here isn't about money. It's a metaphorical price paid in terms of health, well-being, or quality of life. Understanding the history of a phrase can often help us remember how to use it. The word toll originally meant a tax or charge payable for the use of a bridge or road. Over time, the phrase take a toll began to be used more broadly to signify the cost of something beyond just financial terms, extending to emotional, physical, or social costs. To get a real feel for the phrase, let's look at some examples. Long hours at work can really take a toll on your health. The harsh weather took a toll on the farmer's crops. Worrying about her exams has taken a toll on her. She looks so tired. By using the phrase in different contexts, we see that it's versatile and can apply to various situations involving stress, damage, or decline caused by a specific factor. Now, let's practice using the phrase. Remember, the structure is usually, something takes a toll on someone or something. Here are a couple of sentence structures to consider. Activity has taken a toll on person's aspect of life. Event, situation, took a toll on object, situation. Feel free to pause the video and try to create your own sentences using this structure. It's always useful to know some synonyms. Here are a few. Affect adversely, cause damage, weigh on, exert a strain on. Using synonyms can add variety to your speech or writing and help you better express the nuances of the impact you're discussing. I hope this video has shed light on the meaning and use of the phrase, take a toll. Remember, learning a language is about understanding the little nuances that make it rich and vibrant. Keep practicing, and don't let the challenges of learning English take a toll on your enthusiasm. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious. Goodbye, and take care.